Net brand safety lock screw with dia 2.7 mm. These screws have threaded head for locking in safety lock plates. Larger core dia of the screw provides strength. These screws are used for the fixation of small fragment safety locking plates. Self-tapping feature eliminates the use of bone tap. These screws are available in lengths varying from 20 to 60 mm and are available in stainless steel and titanium. Narang Medical Limited follows international quality standards to offer the best quality product. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration. High technology machines are used for better production and faster deliveries. For more information, you may log on to www.narang.com or www.ortho.in.